Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi weeks that I use for work, and I will be decorating this week with some stickers from According to Allie, her holiday bouquets and her poinsettias. Let's get started. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, I was gonna use washi, but I don't think I'm gonna. And then in terms of what pen I want to use, I might go with, there's three possible colors I could be using this week. So I could use Diamine Red Dragon. I could use the, no, I can't use, well, I could use Glimmering Greige, or I could use this, which has Diamine Mistletoe in it. But before I go ahead and do that, what I'm going to do is, because it's a 4-day week next week, which I'm very excited about. Instead of creating like my own washi here, I'm gonna do like this, and then just like that. And I feel like it needs something smaller up there, but then up here at the top, I'm going to take one of these and grab my scissors and cut it in half. If you guys have been around my channel for a while, you guys know how much I love to cut stickers because they're just stickers. Let's turn this around here. They're basically just stickers, and why not cut them so that you get, one sticker. Actually, I'm gonna put that one down at the bottom. You get one sticker in 2 different places. So you're getting the most bang for your buck. Whoa, all over the place here. I'm gonna place that one like that. And then I'm gonna place this one down at the bottom here. And it's just gonna be a really simple spread because I'm only in the office. I say in the office, but I'm only working Monday through Thursday next week. So I don't wanna make too overcomplicated of a spread. I actually really like that. Simple. I almost feel like I can add another bouquet here or even here and make like a little collage here, but I don't think I want to do that. So what color do I want to use? I'm going to put this down, and then I will use this to write down the days of the week. I know for some people this time of year is like the busiest time of year because it's year end for finances, for retail, it's crazy. But for where I'm working, I work at Weight Watchers. This is like our least busy time of year. Come January, we will be extremely busy. I love this pen. It's got an architect nib on it. So cool. And I got ink everywhere. Oh my gosh, ink is spilled everywhere in there. All right. Oh, and it's all over me. Goodness. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off and write in my meetings. There's my overall finished spread in my Hobonichi weeks. Very quick, simple, but a little messy with the ink leaking everywhere. I've got to figure that out. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested in any of According to Allie's stickers, I do have an affiliate link in the description below, and you can use code Karina10 to get 10% off. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.